Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MVIS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And then in this situation makes mapping out a very valid question, quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price has made a nice bounce. I mean, when you consider where the price was at its lows, and then you look at the current location of the price, any rational person would say, yeah, the price has definitely made a nice bounce. But that does lead to the more than valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at the 70-cent mark. Why is 70 cents important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. I agree. So with that in mind, think about 70. If the price were to go down to 70 cents and then break down below it and then just continue to bleed to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price right back to where it was when it was flirting with those lows. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price came down here, behaved like this, and then started to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined and quantified as that 70-cent mark. Now, if this move continues upwards, what about levels of resistance? Main level of resistance going into next week is going to be the moving averages up here. The purple line denotes the 50-period moving average, and then the pink line denotes the 200-period moving average on my chart. So keep an eye on those, and those are both right up around the 82, 83-cent mark. So watch those from the overall perspective. But overall, any way you look at it, very nice movement today. Not just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going into next week? We will see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.